Hi, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever bought a new AR or AR pistol, was excited to get it, and then once you got it home, you noticed this noise? You heard that play between the upper and lower receiver? Even though it doesn't affect the function of the gun, if you're anything like me, this noise is annoying. So I'm going to show you a quick fix. All you need is your rifle or pistol, this, and this wedge here. Those three things. Now what you want to do, there's a takedown pin by your safety selector. You want to punch that out. Yep, just punch it out, just punches out. So now it's open. And this is unloaded. We're in a safe and controlled environment. I don't promote the purchase of firearms. You do what you want to do. But it's open, so you see where the buffer tube is. There's a slot right there. Slide your wedge in there. And it'll look like this right here. Close it back up, push the pin through. Make sure you push it all the way through. So now that play is gone. So now you can enjoy your rifle or pistol as intended. This one's here, my 300 blackout. I'll do a video on it soon. Probably right after this one. But yep, there you go. Quick, easy fix for